Math 3, final benchmark, question 51. A stockroom has 2 employees to unload deliveries of equal size. Employee 1 can unload the delivery in 120 minutes. Employee 2 can unload the delivery in 180 minutes. How long will it take the 2 employees to unload the delivery together? All right, so if they work together, they should get done quicker, but they work at different rates. So let's say we had 2 employees that both worked the same rate as employee 1. So you would get done twice as fast, which 120 minutes divided by 2 is 60 minutes. If we had 2 employees that worked the same rate at 180 minutes per delivery, then we could divide that by 2 and say that is 90 minutes. So this is kind of a logic question. So we know that it's not going to be 60 minutes because they don't work the same rate. Employee 2 does not work as quickly as employee 1. And we know it's not 90 minutes for the same reasoning. We know it's not 150 minutes because it should not take 2 employees longer than it takes employee 1 to do it by themselves. So it's not going to be 150 minutes. So logically, the answer has to be B. So this is more of a logic question, what makes sense? So you just have to look at the information given and say what is the best answer. So number 51, the answer is B.